Welcome back to the French Stepwise. Today, we're not just learning vocabulary. We're analyzing the physics of presence through the most arrogant strategist in the animal kingdom, the domestic cat.
Exactly. In French, your position isn't just a fact, it's a strategy. To master space, you must master the prepositions sur, sous, devant, derrière, entre, and à côté de.
Why does this matter? Because in French culture, where you stand defines who you are in the room. Let's start with the vertical axis, the battle between sur and sous.
Sur means on or upon. It's the position of dominance. When a cat sits on your laptop, it's not an accident. It's a takeover.
Le chat est sur la table. The cat is on the table. Le chat est sur la table.
Conversely, sous means under. It's the position of the scout, the hider, or the ambush predator.
Il se cache sous la voiture. He is hiding under the car. Il se cache sous la voiture.
Now that we've mastered the heights, let's move to the face-off, the horizontal power struggle of devant and derrière.
Devant means in front of. It's about blocking the view, claiming the spotlight. If a cat sits devant la télé, it's the center of the universe.
Le chat est devant moi. The cat is in front of me. Le chat est devant moi.
Derrière is the opposite, behind. It's the stealth position. If you can't see the threat, it's likely derrière le rideau, behind the curtain.
Regarde derrière l'arbre. Look behind the tree. Regarde derrière l'arbre.
With the heights and the lines covered, here's where it gets practical. Navigating the proximity of à côté de and the precision of entre.
À côté de means next to or beside. It implies alliance or casual presence.
Je suis assis à côté du chat. I am sitting next to the cat. Je suis assis à côté du chat.
Finally, entre means between. It is the most calculated position. To be entre, you must have two coordinates.
Il est entre le sac et la chaise. He is between the bag and the chair. Il est entre le sac et la chaise.
There it is, the spatial matrix. Sur, sous, devant, derrière, à côté de, entre. You've just mastered the coordinates of French life. If this masterclass helped you claim your territory in French, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more topic deep dives.
Comment below with your favorite spatial strategy. Are you a derrière the scenes person or devant and center? We'll see you in the next one.